Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're covering the 50-30-20ths budget rule explained simply. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Do you ever feel like your money just disappears and you're not sure where it all went? You're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances. But what if there was a super simple rule that could help you gain control, save money, and still enjoy life? Today, we're breaking down the 50-30-20ths budget rule, a powerful, easy way to manage your money, even if you've never budgeted before. The 50-30-20ths rule is a simple guideline that suggests you divide your after-tax income into three main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's flexible, easy to understand, and helps you prioritize your spending without feeling restricted. It's like a financial GPS for your paycheck. Let's dive into each part. The biggest chunk, 50% of your after-tax income, goes towards your needs. These are the non-negotiable expenses you can't live without. Think of your rent or mortgage, utility bills, electricity, water, groceries, transportation to work, and minimum loan payments. For example, if you bring home $3,000 a month, $1,500 would go to these essentials. Action for today. Grab your bank statements from the last month and highlight all your essential need expenses. See if they fit within 50% of your income. Next up is 30% for your wants. These are things that improve your quality of life but aren't strictly necessary for survival. This is where you enjoy your hard-earned money. Think dining out, entertainment like streaming services or concerts, new clothes you don't need, vacations, or that fancy coffee. If your take-home is $3,000, $900 would be for your wants. Action for today. Look at those highlighted expenses again. What could you easily label a want? Start tracking these expenses for a week to see where your want money really goes. Finally, 20% of your income goes to savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for your financial future. This includes building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment, retirement contributions, or paying down high-interest debt like credit cards beyond the minimum. For our $3,000 example, that's $600 for your future self. Action for today. Set up an automatic transfer of 20% of your next paycheck into a separate savings account, or allocate it to an extra debt payment, even if it's just a small amount to start. Get the habit going. Ready to put it into practice? 1. Calculate your after-tax income. This is your take-home pay. Let's say it's $3,000. 2. Calculate your targets. 50% needs. $3,000 times 0.50 equals $1,500. 30% wants. $3,000 times 0.30 equals $900. 20% savings debt. $3,000 times 0.20 equals $600. 3. Track and adjust. For the next month. Track every dollar you spend. Use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just a notebook. At the end of the month, see how close you were to your targets. Don't be afraid to adjust if your first month is off. Action for today. Write down your current after-tax monthly income. Then calculate your 50%, 30%, and 20% targets. This gives you concrete numbers to work with. As you start, watch out for these common pitfalls. 1. Being too strict. If your budget is impossible to follow, you'll give up. Start where you are and be kind to yourself. 2. Mixing up needs and wants. Is that premium cable package really a need? Be honest. 3. Not tracking. The rule is a guide, but you still need to know where your money is actually going. 4. Giving up after one bad month. It's a journey, not a race. Learn from your mistakes and get back on track. Action for today. Asterisk commit to reviewing your budget at least once a week for the first month. Small, consistent check-ins prevent big problems. So, remember the 50-30-20ths rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your savings and debt. It's a simple, flexible framework to help you take control of your money and build a secure future. You've got this. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. That's everything for today's video on the 50-30-20ths budget rule explained simply. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. New finance tips every week on Money Made Simple.